I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware so you can eliminate basic faults fast. Inspect and reset each cable, HDMI, DisplayPort, or DVI, and make sure the monitor power is on. Once done, check the monitor input selector to match the cable. Many screens default to a different port. Then try each GPU port, and if available, use a known good monitor or adapter to isolate a bad cable versus a bad port. This step saves time before changing any software settings. Now you move into software where the misconfiguration usually lives. Open Display Settings and click Detect, then identify so you see which monitor is which. Arrange them to match physical layout and choose your primary display. Next, update or reinstall GPU drivers using Device Manager or the vendor utility. This fixes many handshake issues. Finally, set each monitor's resolution and refresh rate to supported values and adjust scaling. Mismatched settings can prevent one screen from activating. Finish by restarting the system to apply changes, then test with each monitor individually and together to confirm success. If one display still fails, boot into safe mode or perform a clean driver install to rule out software conflicts. This often resolves stubborn problems. If issues persist, swap monitors and cables or test on a different PC to pinpoint hardware failure, and remember cable length or low-quality adapters can cause signal loss. Replace them if needed to restore reliable multi-monitor output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.